Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all bee themed DIYs. Let's start with DIY number 1. I'm going to start with this beautiful wooden home sign, and I'm going to draw the borders with this bright yellow paint, and this already has a black background, so this would be like apt for the bee theme. So I also got this wooden letters that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to arrange them in an order. I'm just playing with it and wanted to give like home sweet home, and I stuck with hot glue, and this is how it looks. And these wooden cutouts are from Dollar Tree. They are new and I just wanted to use them. I just got 3 flower pots with a flower on it, so I painted the flower yellow. Using green marker, I just painted the leaves and stem green. For the flower pots, I just applied antique wax and brown color, and then I just pasted all these 3 in an order just below the home sweet home using hot glue, just like so. And I'm also going to stick 2 of those bumblebees on the top near the roof. I just found the right place. I just am going to do one in one angle facing each other, and I'm also going to give like nice honeycomb kind of a look there. So I just drizzle a little bit of this hot glue, and I just gave like a chunky hot glue all around the top of the roof. And I'm going to give a nice yellow paint to give like a honey, as the honey is drizzling down. That's the effect I'm going to go there. So you're going to see I'm taking some of the same yellow, bright yellow paint, and I'm painting it all down, and I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to show how this turned out. So this is the final result of this first DIY. It's home sweet home, and with flowers in the base of the garden, and also the honeybees are flying to the top and some honey over there. So this is one DIY I'm very happy with, and I would love to hear your thoughts on this. This video would be part of What Would You Make, and this is hosted by Zaina over OK at Home DIY, and another host is Connie or Connie's Creative Creations, and guest host would be Marika from Marika's Creations. And I'm going to leave links of this all creative ladies in my description box, and the link to the huge playlist of all the other creators. So please watch all the videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this cute wooden birdhouse, and it has those tag, and I pulled that tag through the floral hole from the front, and I'm just taking some of this chalk paint, and I'm going to generously apply 2 coats and let it dry. Now this birdhouse dried, so now I'm going to take some of this sunflower sticker, and I covered the center where the flower was, and I also stuck those 3 bumblebees where the bees were there. And I'm also taking some of this notes which has like a bee decor all over, so I just stuck those honeycomb area on the sides and those buzzing words just below it. And the roof, I also got some of those bee actually notes, and I stuck with a little bit of a hot glue all around. Now I'm also creating a cute bow which has got honeycomb print on it, and I'm going to stick some of the greenery and maybe a flower to finish the look. I think I just stopped with greenery, and I painted the base with some black paint, and also the roof and the borders of the roof around. I just painted a little bit of those black paint to highlight all the colors. Isn't this gorgeous? I just love the final result of it. I hope you would like it as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this honeycomb wooden sign. It has got like nice black background already. All I have to do is paint the borders with this yellow bright paint, and I'm going to give like 1 or 2 coats, and I'm going to let it dry. After it is dried, I also painted the beads alternately, like yellow and the black, and somehow I lost the footage. So I'm also going to attach one of this cute sign that I recently found in Dollar Tree. It's got like a steps, and on top of the steps you have bee gnome. I'm going to make a cute bow, bee printed ribbon, and I made a simple bow, and I just divided the 10 beads into 5 on either side. In the center I just stuck with a little bit of a hot glue, and I also stuck one cute yellow flower in the center, and I also gave like a cute sunflower sticker on the hat of a bee gnome. And this is another bee gnome that I did in my previous project, and he's also helping decorate this whole sign. See how cute that gnome is wearing one of the sunflower on his hat, and that cute bow, double layered cute bow with the flower and those painted beads and this honeycomb and this cute sign. I just love everything about it. So I would love to hear your thoughts on this as well. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, actually this is a quick hack, and this is one of the cute wooden garden sign that I got from Dollar Tree. It is already having a bee and a flower. I thought like I should just embellish with some of the stickers that I have around. I have this yellow truck with a lot of flowers in it, and I also stuck another sticker with a crate with flowers just below the truck. And I have this beautiful honeycomb flat thick ribbon, and I just created a simple bow, and I also have another black bow with black ribbon, then stuck both together in a layers, and I'm just ducktailing the corners to give like a cute decoration there. And I also stuck one of the foam ball in the center, and I painted yellow later, and I gave like greenery on either side, some thick greenery and light greenery, and I just don't want to overdo it because I do not want to hide that cute bee over there. So yeah, this is another cute wooden sign that is adding decoration to all of these DIYs today, and yeah, I love it. So you have to let me know your thoughts on this as well. Share with you all today, and bees are my favorite theme to work on, as I think that they are very important to the environment. And if you like any of these ideas, and if you'd like to join the family, I will be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updates when I upload videos like this. And I want to thank each and every one of you for the kind comments and the great support that you've been giving towards my channel all along. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen, and I'll let you enjoy the final reveal. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again. you.